In this video, I'm going to teach you a very quick tutorial on how to sign out or remove a Gmail account from your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to open your Google Chrome. Once you've opened it, you'd be able to see your Gmail here. Please continue to your Gmail. And the moment you have opened your Gmail, you need to navigate to the upper right side of the screen. You can see this kind of icon, which contains the support, the settings icon, this apps icon, as well as your user account icon. So please proceed to your user account icon. Once you click on it, you'd be able to open this small tab where here you'd be able to see a list of the options such as add account, sign out, and this how much of this space usage or the total usage of your storage here. So just have to navigate to sign out, click on that one. Once you click on it, it will ask you to remove your account. Just click on remove an account and remove your specific account, which is this one. Once you click on it, you'll be able to easily sign out or remove your Gmail account from your Windows 11. Okay. So in my case, I don't want to. That's why I'm not clicking this one. But if you would like to remove your account, then click on sign out to proceed. Okay. So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.